As this is an international language testing system which is powered by the IDP, assess the level of candidate. And my name is Anisha and I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate. Number is 110693. Right? Okay. Are you ready for speaking?
Yes.
Okay. Introduce yourself.
My full name is Gaurav Garg, but you may address me by my first name, which is Gaurav. And I basically live in Khanna, and it is famous for its biggest wheat market.
Okay. Does your name have any special meaning?
Well, my name has very kind of different meanings. That the meaning of my name is proud, and one day I will make my parents proud.
Okay. Is your name important to you?
Well, basically it's given by my parents, so it's very crucial for me.
Okay. Do Indian people like changing their name and why?
Well, it depends on the culture. The Indian culture do not accept those names which are not related to their culture.
Have you ever changed your name? Why or why not?
My musician name is Chef Music, so I changed it for I want to become a logo.
Okay. Why do so people many change their name?
Well, it depends on the person to person. Many people change their name because they didn't like them.
Okay. I ask some questions related to pens or pencils. Okay. Do you usually use a pen or pencil?
Well, yes, I'm a student, so I use pen on my daily basis.
Okay. Do you prefer to use a pen or pencil for writing purpose?
Well, in my perspective, pencil is very necessary for writing because we can remove easily with the rubber.
Okay. When was the last time you bought pen or pencil?
I remember that day when a couple of days ago, I bought a pencil for my writing purpose.
Okay. How often do you buy pens or pencils?
Well, as I mentioned that a couple of days ago, I bought a pencil.
Okay. Do you like to write with a pen or pencil when you were a child?
Usually, I usually prefer to write with a pencil.
How would you feel if someone gave you pen or pencil as a gift?
I feel over the moon if someone gave me a gift as a pencil or a pen.
Would you pay a lot money for pen and pencils?
In my perspective, it is waste of money if we spend more money to buy a pencil or a pen, because
What is the difference between the good speaker and listener?
well, the good listener is very. A good listener is.
How can someone be a good listener? Is it more important to good at listening or speaking, and why?
Can you repeat?
Is it more important to good listening or speaking, and why? people not good listeners?
Well, it depends on individual to individual. Some are good listeners as well as good speakers, but others are not a good listener and not a good speaker.
How important is listening to political leaders?
Well, it depends on the interest. If the person want to listen the political leader.
Why is public speaking is important?
Well, it enhances the skills, communication skills as well as listening skills.
Okay, and your QCA topic is describe a time when someone apologized to you and you should say when this happened, what you were doing, who apologized to you and explain why they apologized to you. You have to prepare a topic 1 minute. After 1 minute you will start. And your time is starts now. Yes, start.
Well, everyone has mistake. Everyone should give a mistake in their life, but I would like to talk about that particular occasion, particular situation when someone apologized me. That was my friend. Last year, when he brought my cars, and that was very big.
Yes, continue. Okay, I asked some follow-up questions related to your QCA topic. What kinds of people are most likely to say sorry? What kind of people are most likely to say sorry?
Usually that people who have feelings to get they did wrong, so they apologize to the person.
In what situation do you think people need to or should apologize?
If someone getting mistake, so they should be apologize to that person.
you think of those people who do not apologize very often? When do people say thank you? When was the last time you found it hard to accept an apology?
I remember that day when my brother did a mistake. So they beat me up, and I was very disappointed from him, and they apologized that mistake.
Okay, thank you, Gaurav. Have a nice day.